Hello kids, welcome to the channel Brush and Brain. Today we will learn about human internal organs, internal body parts of a human. So let's see. This is a human structure and here I have shown human internal body parts, human internal organs. So we will study in detail about those human organs in this video. Before that, you may subscribe our channel for more informative videos. The very first is brain. This is the structure of human brain, a real human brain. And human brain exists over here in this part of our body. This is called head and brain exists into the head. What is brain? ये करता क्या है? What is it? The brain is a complex organ that controls thought, memory, emotions, touches, motor skills, vision, breathing, temperature, hunger and every process that regulates our body. हमारी बॉडी को चलाने के लिए जो भी एक्टिविटी की ज़रूरत होती है, जो भी मूवमेंट्स लगते हैं, एफर्ट्स लगते हैं, वो सारे बॉडी पार्ट्स को, वो सभी इंटरनल एंड एक्सटर्नल बॉडी ऑर्गन्स एंड बॉडी पार्ट्स को ब्रेन कंट्रोल करता है. सो हमारी बॉडी में जो ब्रेन है उसे दो पार्ट्स में हम बेसिकली डिवाइड करते हैं. वन इज लेफ्ट साइड, वन इज राइट साइड. सो अभी जो एरिया ब्लिंक कर रहा है, दिस एरिया, दिस इज कॉल्ड लेफ्ट ब्रेन. लेफ्ट ब्रेन बेसिकली वर्बल एनालिटिकल काम ज़्यादा बेटर तरीके से कर सकता है, जिसमें रीडिंग, राइटिंग एंड कंपटीशन इस तरीके के वर्क आते हैं. एंड जो राइट साइड का ब्रेन होता है, दिस एरिया, this part of the brain basically is more emotional. It do creative work, imaginative work, more verbal होता है, visual इसमें ज़्यादा better आते हैं. So this is structure of human lungs. Human lungs body में इस जगह पर होते हैं. ह्यूमन लंग्स के जस्ट नीचे यहाँ पर ये डायफ्राम होता है, जो लंग्स को ब्रीथ जब करते हैं तो डायफ्राम नीचे और ऊपर होता है. What are lungs? What is the work of lungs? Lungs are two sponges like, and it is conical shape structure that fill most of the chest cavity. Their essential function is to provide oxygen from inhaled air to the bloodstream and exhale carbon dioxide. So basically this is inhaling the oxygen and exhaling the carbon dioxide. This is the work of lungs. And this oxygen supplied into the blood. This is the position of lungs in a human body. Lungs exist in this area. This red part is lungs. It's as shown in the picture. Liver lies on the right side of the abdomen. This red part is liver. Structure of human liver: right lobe and left lobe. Now let's see the functions of the liver. What is the main function? The main function is breaking down the fats, producing urea, filtering harmful substances from blood, and maintaining a proper level of glucose in the blood. This is the main function of liver. Now, what is gallbladder? Gallbladder is a muscular organ and it is located in the pelvic cavity. What gallbladder do? What is the main function of gallbladder? Stretches to store urine and contracts to release the urine. It exists in the pelvic area and connected with the kidneys, just like this, as shown in the picture. This is a female gallbladder, this one, and this is a male gallbladder. Now our next topic is kidneys. What is the main feature of kidney? These two bean shaped organs are kidneys. Now let's see how it will work. What is the main function of kidney? क्या करती है kidney? It is a bean shaped organ and the main function of the kidney is to purify the blood. How? It maintains the body's chemical balance by exerting waste products and excess fluid in the form of urine. Now you get it? What is the main function of kidney? Let's move up to this is heart, and these are the parts of heart. Let's see what are the functions of the heart. Heart pumps the blood through the blood vessels. These are the blood vessels. These are blood vessels and heart repeated rhythmic contractions to pump the blood. Now let's see. This is the position of heart in our human body. And this is the way heart pumps the blood. Now our next topic is the stomach. The stomach. This is a real human stomach, and ह्यूमन स्टमक में इस तरह से एसिड्स होते हैं जो हमारी फूड को डाइजेस्ट करते हैं, एंड दिस इज आवर डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम, अ पार्ट ऑफ डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम. नाउ लेट्स सी the position of a stomach in our body. This is the position of stomach in our body. This is the position you can see in the picture. Let's see what is the working of a stomach. The stomach is pear-shaped bag. The main purpose of this stomach is to digest the food. It produces the gastric juices which break down the mix, turns the food into the thin and liquid. Now next organ is intestines. We have two types of intestine in human body. These are two types of intestine in human body. One is large intestine and another is a small intestine. A small intestine exists into the large intestine and connected with it. This is the position of intestine in human body. This is stomach connected with intestine. Food goes into large intestine and then turn and then went into the small intestine. I hope आपको हमारा वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. Thank you for watching this video. For more informative videos, please do like, subscribe and share our channel Russian Brain. See you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.